Jamaica's new sprinting legend has just been born. Oblique Seville's insane 100-meter gold at the Tokyo World Championships had fans shocked. Seville made history with an incredible 100-meter gold at the Tokyo World Championships, crossing the line in a jaw-dropping personal best of 9.78 seconds. After several near misses in past championships, fans had been waiting for Seville's big moment, and he didn't disappoint. Leading up to Tokyo, Seville gained serious confidence with back-to-back wins at the London Athletics Meet and the Lausanne Diamond League, both times defeating his rival Noah Lyles. He had the chance to prove his competence that he was ready for the biggest stage. But it wasn't smooth sailing. In the first round, Seville stumbled out of the blocks, leaving fans nervous. Yet, he still powered through with a 9.93 clocking, making it to the next round. In the semis, he showed his true strength, gliding to a 9.86 to win, leaving everyone in awe of his speed and composure. The final was filled with drama as Botswana's Letsile Tebogo was disqualified for a false start, but the show must go on. When the gun went off, Seville was ready. He chased down Kishane Thompson, who had a strong lead early on, and held off Noah Lyles, finishing with a gold medal time of 9.78 seconds. Kishane Thompson earned silver in 9.82, and Noah Lyles took bronze in 9.89, making it a historic moment for Jamaican sprinting. It's the first time since 2013 that two Jamaican men have shared the podium in the 100-meter. Jamaica is back at the top of the world, and Oblique Seville is now a household name in sprinting. If you loved this epic sprint showdown, check out our channel, Caribbean Focus Sports, for more such updates. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments and hit those like and subscribe buttons.